Want to know how to see your favorites on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see your favorites on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your TikTok profile. Likewise, there are 4 icons right below the share profile option. Furthermore, tap on the third icon from the left side. Here you can see all your favorites. So this is how you can see your favorites on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.